Well, it's nicknamed Guns Everywhere bill. Now, Georgia allows licensed gun owners now to bring their weapons into some bars, government buildings, and churches.
We join KAG's HD News reporter Chris Costa in the studio. Chris, there are still some restrictions on where people can bring guns.
Matthew and Amanda, the bill allows people to carry in very specific areas of airports or government buildings. People I talked to today say they don't think legislation like this would change Texas all that much.
New legislation leaving some people up in arms. House Bill 60, the Safe Carry Protection Act, goes into effect on July 1st in Georgia, allowing those with a gun license to carry in certain public and some private areas. Some Texans like Scott Keating think it could be a good idea to adopt that in the Lone Star State.
The good guys are not going to be able to conquer the bad guys unless they have something to conquer them with.
This is House Bill 60.
Governor Nathan Deal signed the act, which allows firearms into any government building that is open for business and doesn't have security personnel restricting access or screening visitors. It also allows guns in certain areas of airports, but not past a security screening checkpoint.
If there's a lot of guns out there that you don't know about, what's the harm?
Under Georgia's new legislation, people with a concealed handgun license could carry something like this into a bar or church that allows them to do so. Some gun owners in Texas say they're not so sure.
Going into a bar, getting drunk, carrying a weapon, I don't particularly care for that, but designated driver or going to restaurants that are 51%, that's no problem with that.
I'm going to do this again.
Scott thinks background checks are the most important in preventing anything from going wrong.
Well, it's important so you don't have mistakes happen out there. You put the hands in the gun of another wacko.
The Georgia law also allows gun owners who have had their licenses revoked to apply for a new license after just 3 years. In Texas, gun owners must wait 5. Matthew and Amanda.